Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, back to do what's in the box in these two packages, and there's a third one that I'm about to show you in a moment. But let's take a look at what's in this box. What is in this box? Really, dudes? What did I get here? Okay, let's some more chit chatting. Let's take a look at what's in this damn thing. Is there a English? Holy shit! No cheese, no wheels. What? Holy cow. It's a Game & Watch. I'm keeping this in the original packaging. If I find another one, I'm gonna use this one and keep this one sealed. Like, you can still get your hands on these somewhere, but again, it has all the classies in there, dudes and dudettes. Any of you fans of Nintendo or the Mario Brothers gamers out there, any fans of Nintendo and Super Mario Brothers, dudes, this is great to have in your collection for all you geeky gamers out there. But now with that, let's take a look what's in this one, because it says I have it from GameStop, and now let's take a look what's in here. Alright, and on this second one, I just ripped it out to make sure to give us enough clarity to know what's in here. Now, let's take a look what's in this package. Come on, won't hurt a bit, y'all. Come on now. Here. Oh, sure. What is this, huh? Is this? Why, yes, it is. This is the big dog right here. This is the Super Mario All-Star 3D. Yep, got it for a good deal right before the prices went belly up. So, yeah, to those who have it, kudos. Those who don't, oh well. I don't know what's going on with Nintendo these days. They just made a big mistake, you know? Come on. Who were they thinking? Shame on you, Nintendo, for canceling this. Again, this is a fun game. Heck, anybody who's a 90s baby, a 2000s baby, late 80s, early 90s, just get your hands on this. Pull the trigger anyway. Try to make a good deal. So yeah. And let's see what's on the mystery big box. So anyway, forget about the third box. Heck, it's not kind of mine. I don't remember ordering these. I don't remember ordering whatever was in there. It must have been the wrong package. Oh well. I'll give it to someone else who needs it. So, yeah, whatever the hell. It was just a bunch of CD empty case. I don't remember ordering these CDs empty case. Must have got the wrong address. So anyways, this is, and luckily I got my hands on these two. So anyway, shout out to the game collectors, the video game collectors, and all the Nintendo fans out there, including collectors of autographs, toys, and such, and video games. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care, God bless you. Catch you all in the next vid. Later days, y'all. Later.